For me, October is a month full of criminal, scary, and unexplained stories. This is the month in which Halloween is celebrated in many countries. I don't know about you, but I really like to put myself and others in this mood sometimes. In a few days, I will be organizing a party for children during which spooky stories will be read. Do you sometimes like to listen to scary stories? In today's episode, I will show you how I transferred this into this. How I transferred an ordinary house into a house that you wouldn't want to enter. For this purpose, I used a ready-made plywood house, book binding glue, and acrylic paints. And now I will show you my work step by step, and in the meantime, I will read you one of the stories from the book Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. I wonder how many of you I will be able to scare with this story. The Big Toe. A boy was digging at the edge of the garden when he saw a big toe. He tried to pick it up, but it was stuck to something. So he gave it a good hard jerk, and it came off in his hand. Then he heard something groan and scamper away. The boy took the toe into the kitchen and showed it to his mother.
"It looks nice and plump," she said. "I will put it in the soup and we will have it for supper."
That night, his father carved the toe into 3 pieces, and they each had a piece. Then they did the dishes, and when it got dark, they went to bed. The boy fell asleep almost at once, but in the middle of the night, a sound awaked him. It was something out in the street. It was a voice, and it was calling to him.
"Where is my toe?"
It groaned. When the boy heard that, he got very scared, but he thought,
"It doesn't know where am I. It never will find me."
Then he heard the voice one more, only now it was closer.
"Where is my toe?"
It groaned. The boy pulled the blanket over his head and closed his eyes.
"I will go to sleep,"
he thought.
"When I wake up, it will be gone."
But soon he heard the back door open, and again he heard the voice.
"Where is my toe?"
It groaned. Then the boy heard footsteps move through the kitchen into the dining room, into the living room, into the front hall. Then slowly they climbed the stairs. Closer and closer they came. Soon they were in the upstairs hall. Now they were outside his door.
"Where is my toe?"
The voice groaned. His door opened. Shaking with fear, he listened as the footsteps slowly moved through the dark toward his bed. Then they stopped.
"Where is my toe?"
The voice groaned.
"You've got it!"
What do you think about this teeny mini cutie house? And what do you think about this story? Do you want to hear another scary story? Please write me in the comment below.